Hey, what's up, Worshipper Academy? Thank you for showing up today. Thank you for clicking on this video. We will just be covering briefly Need Your Love. And we're not going to go over this whole song. We're just going to go over the main parts that we needed help for in our live session, Worshipper Academy live sessions. Session 1, we were going over Need Your Love, and it's in the key of C. All right. So the chords are D minor, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And that repeats over and over, right? So in some parts of the song, we just hit the chords like that, just to let it be a bass. But then when the chorus comes in, and after that, there's a little rhythm going on, okay? So some of us were having a hard time with this rhythm. So we're going to break it down, okay? So it goes a little something like this. Left, right, 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 left, right. Notice that the first one has a little delay. And then they go faster. You can also do this like on your knees. All right. So once you got that rhythm in your hands, then we can bring it to the piano. We'll start slow, and we'll start in the first chord that we do that rhythm in, and that is in the chord of D minor. And we're gonna hit D and A on the left hand, and we're gonna hit the D minor triad on the right hand, D, F, and A. And then we're gonna go 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Try it with me, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. If you think you got it, do it. 1, 2, 3. Let's speed it up, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. All right, and we're going to do that in D. We're going to do that in A minor. We're going to do that in F. And we're going to do that in G. So putting it all together, 1, 2, 3, and. So practice that over and over until we get it nice and consistent. So you can slow it down if you need. Try it. If you have any questions, leave the questions in the comments, and I will reply. All right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you live at our live sessions if you're coming out on Thursdays. And if not, we will see you here on the Worshiper Academy on YouTube. Thank you all for being here. Bye now.